The landscape has shifted dramatically. Voice is used to be a local compliance checkbox, but now it's a global operating reality.
If done properly, the consolidation of different legal requirements in a technical solution can be an advantage. You can use it as a strategic advantage in your company. It can streamline workflows and can be very helpful in different levels, not only in accounting. And then also looking at the future trends, this is something that matters now, but it will matter more and more in the future.
Instead of asking, how do we comply in the next country? The question becomes, how do we extend what we are already built? Companies that put the right foundation in place today will be able to roll out faster, reduce risk, and avoid continuous rework.
So we could see that there's a 30% reduction in the deployment timeline, and we could see a significant reduction in ongoing compliance support cost as a result of the implementation.
The objective is not only to comply with one mandate, but to create a foundation that can support the next one.